How to make money on investments in cryptocurrency. Let's find out. 1. Investing. One of the most popular methods for generating income through cryptocurrency is investment. It operates similarly to investing in a business, but with a slight twist. Rather than investing money and relying on the business to prosper and generate profits on its own, it is more effective to employ the buy and hold strategy. Of course, there is a certain level of risk involved, as with any investment, since you are putting your money into something that currently holds no value, with the intention of selling it when others require it. Looking back, those who executed this strategy correctly earned substantial profits, particularly if they acquired Bitcoin when it was worth just a few cents and held onto it until today, when it is valued in the thousands. If you seek a long-term approach to earn money from cryptocurrency, investing is definitely the suitable choice, especially if you possess market understanding and can predict shifts within it. 2. Crypto lending centralized finance, CFI, refers to the range of digital financial services available to investors and traders through cryptocurrency and blockchain technologies, resembling the operations of traditional banks, but with crypto-adapted services. Crypto loans, one such service, enable investors to utilize their crypto assets as collateral to obtain liquidity while retaining ownership of their cryptocurrency holdings. This allows for investment in promising assets while storing existing holdings in a secure cold wallet. The key advantage of crypto lending is the ability to respond to changes in the crypto market. When the market experiences a decline, it presents an opportune time to invest in promising assets. This strategy is commonly known as buying the dip. Experienced investors can expedite these operations from the buying phase to the selling point. Less experienced individuals should take the time to identify the optimal moment to sell their cryptocurrency at the best price. Historical data indicates that buying the dip has been a profitable strategy in the crypto market. In a crypto lending relationship, both parties link their respective accounts and wallets, forming a smart contract on the blockchain that solidifies the relationship. Crypto lending can be a lucrative method of making money. The key is selecting the right asset in which to invest your loan. CoinRabbit is one platform that facilitates such relationships, offering crypto-backed lending and crypto savings services. With a selection of over 107 currencies, you have nearly complete freedom to use your cryptocurrency as collateral for a crypto loan. The application process is straightforward, with funds becoming available in your account within 15 minutes, enabling swift reactions to market changes. CoinRabbit.io features a clean and user-friendly interface, ideal for those new to crypto lending. CoinRabbit employs layered protection for users and their funds, with collateral stored in cold wallets and robust risk control measures for each transaction, ensuring no chance of losing your funds. Given the overall simplicity and accessibility provided by CoinRabbit, we highly recommend trying it out for yourself. 3. Trading. Unlike investing, trading is a short-term strategy aimed at generating profits in quick bursts. To do so, you need to possess a certain cryptocurrency and trade it on various platforms for other currencies. Trading involves greater risk due to the volatility of the crypto market. Prices can fluctuate within minutes, necessitating strong technical and analytical skills for this strategy. Therefore, we recommend trading for individuals with prior experience in cryptocurrencies, while investing is a safer option for newcomers, especially when dealing with more popular cryptocurrencies. For those seeking round-the-clock trading capabilities, trading bots can be utilized to automate the trading process. While setting up a trading bot requires effort, once it is up and running, it can analyze charts and trading patterns, performing as well as, if not better than, a human trader.